The reality of Canada right now is a tough one, especially for immigrants. In the past few months, I've seen 6 of my friends get laid off. Today, I want to dive deep into the current employment situation in Canada and what it means for potential immigrants. Across various industries, layoffs have become a common occurrence. According to recent government data, over 500,000 people have filed for employment insurance in the past year. The tech industry, manufacturing, retail, and even healthcare sectors have not been spared. A survey by Survey website reports that 30% of companies are downsizing, with the tech sector seeing the highest rate of layoffs at 40%. Let me share some personal stories. One of my friends, a software engineer, was let go after his company downsized. Another friend in retail was laid off because her store couldn't keep up with declining sales. These stories are not isolated incidents. They represent a growing trend. With the current job market, it's crucial for potential immigrants to be aware of these challenges. While Canada offers many opportunities, it's important to weigh the risks and have a backup plan. Stay informed, stay prepared, and make the best decision for your future.